Senate Democratic leader Harry Reid said FBI Director James Comey may have violated a federal law when he disclosed less than 2 weeks before the election that his office was pursuing potential new evidence related to Hillary Clinton's use of a private email server as Secretary of State.
I hope you followed along.
Yes.
Attorney Loretta Powers joins us on the KOGO News Live line. And Loretta, is Reid correct?
He is not correct. I think that this is part of an elaborate Democratic smokescreen used to deflect the criminal activity. With the Hatch Act, it has a high intent element to it. You must intend to affect the outcome of the election. And Director Comey, he testified before Congress when this whole thing was originally going down. And because of his sworn testimony, he had an obligation to update Congress of the testimony should it changed. And that's exactly what he did here. He was trying to not perjure himself, not violate the Hatch Act.
Okay. What about the new lawsuit against Bella and Martha Caroli?
This is really unfortunate. Apparently, 20 gymnasts are coming forward saying that they were inappropriately touched by the doctor. And the doctor hasn't been criminally charged yet. In Texas, where this is alleged to have happened, there is no statute of limitations on sexual abuse on children. So there might be some criminal charges in the future, but what the courts really want to find out and what we all want to know here is, was there a cover-up? Did these illustrious coaches know about it and do something to cover it up?
It seems almost unthinkable, though, considering how valuable these kids are to them.
Right. And the lawsuit goes on to allege that they even fostered this toxic environment. They're alleging that the coaches called these athletes fat, that they withheld food and water from them, and that they also scratched them until they bled. So these are some high accusations that really are dragging the Carolis through the mud right now.
Now let's talk about this, the French Laundry, one of these very, very famous restaurants in San Francisco. Are they in a little bit of trouble right now?
I think that this server has a meritorious claim. I mean, she's saying that she was discriminated against because she was pregnant. And you can't do that, especially in California. And I guess it all boils down to what the manager told her, because apparently the manager started asking questions about her pregnancy, which you just cannot do. And after that, that is when she was let go from the job.
Now, is she suing here in California, or is this under a federal law?
No, she is suing in the state of California. California gives a lot of rights to employees and tenants, so it is the perfect environment for her to sue.
All right. Thank you very much, Loretta. That is attorney Loretta Powers joining us on the KOGO News Live line.